Welcome to our new season of ExperT Diaries. In this season, we are focusing, thanks to our expert, on innovation from cybersecurity to high-performance computing. We start today with Vincent Saracani, Head of Global Supply Chain and Manufacturing. He will give us the insight on how our manufacturing and supply chain teams innovate and industrialize product sustainably, with a new factory of the future enhancing efficiency.
The supply chain and manufacturing entity collaborates closely with the group's research and development team to validate and industrialize products. We have two manufacturing sites in France, Angers and Aix-en-Provence, working end-to-end and allowing a better adaptation to our product portfolio. In our site in Aix, mostly dedicated to mission-critical products, we are doing engineering to order for small series. And in case of higher volume, we can do the full industrialization before passing the baton to Angers. In our global factory, located in Angers, we produce high-tech solutions for HPC, AI, big data, cybersecurity, and defense for clients worldwide. Our operations ensure seamless production flow, aiming to deliver high-quality products on time, at competitive price, and in a planet-friendly manner. Our supply chain coordinates all our vendors in a sustainable manner, from sourcing to delivery, ensuring reliable supplies for our manufacturing site, as well as export control and transportation to reach all our customer sites worldwide. Angers also hosts the Staging Labs, which is the group's supercomputer test center and, more widely, a true showcase for all our products and solutions. Additionally, we focus on procuring and distributing spare parts, optimizing stock from local to global, and sustaining operational conditions for long-term contracts. Our manufacturing processes are integrated from the earliest design stages to ensure successful product commercialization. We manage the introduction of new offerings, transitioning from conceptual design to physical fabrication. Each customer order is uniquely handled by our integration and testing units, assembling and cabling all required components. Committed to environmental protection, we strive for net zero emission and continuous improvement under our certification, quality, security, environment. In 2022, we announced the official launch of a new Factory of the Future. It is essential to transform the site to continue delivering excellence to our customers by providing them with cutting-edge products and solutions. With the new factory, we will be able to double our production capability, lower our production costs, and reduce our carbon footprint. We are proud to be the only supercomputers manufacturer in Europe and to build this new factory here in Angers, on the historic site of Bulle since the 60s. The construction of the new production unit will be completed by end of 2025, with all building ready by 2027, enabling us to simultaneously build two exascale machines like the Jupiter supercomputer.